Hi friends, okay, welcome to this video. This is Johnny Solomon. I'm a dreamer, believer, leadership trainer, a leadership coach. As earlier, I have taught you the introduction of CMM machines. Today my topic is how to calibrate probe of the CMM machines. So see, this is a Meteoromech Renishaw probe. Okay guys, and see here, this is the probe, and here is the A angle 0 to 90 degree, and it can be rotated in any direction, like see, okay, you can move this probe clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. You got my point? So in this way we can check different angles of the machine parts. So this is a PC in which you will see here, see, this is a mCosmos Meteoromech software by which we can check or calibrate our probe. So guys, so see, before we start, see the top portion, there are so many things are there. See, as per MS Office, here also menu words are given: file, element, machine, tolerance, probe, coordinate system, output, and calculate, program, graphics, windows, and help. See, file, you can here setting, change setting elements, you can got here different types of element. Machine, you can check it move by manually or automatically. So my point is, so here the second is, this is the toolbar, everybody knows. So by this tool we can check the angle, and this is by this tool we can check the distance. This is point, this is line, you can check circle, measure cycle, then plane, then cone, again spherical or sphere, cylinder, and step cylinder. Okay guys, and as I told you, my topic is how to calibrate probe. See here, this is the probe. So let's see the here number of, I have made 10 types of angles here. You can increase the angles as per your requirement. See, this is the A0, B0, again A0, B30, next A30, 180, next A90, B0, then A90, B180. So like this, as per your choice, you can change this angle also. So if I want to calibrate this A0, B0, means straight condition probe, we have to calibrate, press the button here, calibrate button. Okay guys, I hope you are watching. Then you have to take at least 12 points. To see the maximum difference here should not be more than 5 microns or 6 microns. Okay guys, if it is more than 10 micron, then the precision or accuracy of the measurement will not be correct. Okay, so I hope you have got a few knowledge. So this is a granite table bed, and this is a hand tool by we can move the X direction, Y direction and Z direction. Okay, this machine is 1000 meter long, Y, 600 Z or 600 X. Okay, see, with the help of this machine we can check such types of bearings. These are white metal, heavy electrical rotating bearings. Okay, so let's start. Now I'm going to check the angle 30 degree and 180 degree. Okay, because previously I have taken the points and calibrated measurement was not as per the spec. So here 180 degree and 30 degree I have to change here the angle here 180, 30 and 180. Okay guys, then calibrate. Okay, now again I have to take the same point. During taking this point, we have to carefully watch the probe should not be vibrate. Otherwise, your taken measurement or ultimate result will not be perfect. Let's see. Oh my God! Now it is absolutely okay. See, now we have calibrate this probe within 3 micron, 0.003, and you will find the date here 26 September, time is 1 p.m. Okay, next is see here the probe angle 00, which is showing 4 micron. I am trying to minimize it. Probe 00 I am trying to minimize within 3 micron. Then because this angle requirement is the 90%. 90% requirement this position we can check any job. So let's start. Let's see here maximum difference 5 micron, it is not okay. I have to take or calibrate again. So see, during taking this point, you should take care of there should not be any contact with this table. I mean, table should not be vibrate or touch by anything. Okay, see here, oh my god, now it is very good. So see, now it is 3 micron, 0.003. Now I have calibrated within 3 micron position A0, B0. Okay.